Today we're going to tell you how the cast from the 1993 film Demolition Man has changed over the years, so let's get started with starting number 1. Nigel Hawthorne. Actors star Nigel Hawthorne was 64 by the time Demolition Man came to cinemas in 1993. He died of a heart attack at his home on December 26, 2001, Hobby, Egypt. 72 at the time this death. He had recently undergone surgery and chemotherapy for pancreatic cancer, which he was diagnosed with in 2000. Number 2. Benjamin Bratt. When Demolition Man came in 1993, Benjamin was 29 years old, and now he's 62 hours of 2026. Number 3. Bond. Gun to Bond was 47 in 1993, and now he's 80 in 2026. Number 4. Glenn Addicts. It was 41 at Demolition Man premiere in 1993. He died on September 7, 2010 at the age of 58. The cause of death was blunt trauma to the head resulting from an accidental ball at his condominium in Birmingham, Alabama. Number 5. Dennis Leary. Dennis was 35 in 1993, and now he's 60 in 2026. Number 6. Andre Gregory. Andre was 59 in 1993, and now he's 92 in 2026. Number 7. Sylvester Stallone. Lead actress Sylvester Stallone was 46 by the time Demolition Man came to cinemas in 1993, and thankfully he's still with us at the age of 79 in 2026. Number 8. Sandra Bullock. Sandra was 28 in 1993, and now she's 61 in 2026. Number 9. Wesley Snipes. Renowned bleed-out and martial artist Wesley Snipes was 30 in 1993, and now he's 63 in 2026.